So we are searching EBSCO Academic Search Complete Online Database. In the search box, I have typed domestic violence, and then I'll click the search button. On the left side, there are limits, and we've selected full text of the article. Right now, we have 12,000 articles, and we want peer-reviewed scholarly sources. So more of these check boxes, if I click on, I'm adding more limits to the search. And see, now it is 7,886. I want it to be published close, like from 2010 onwards. So now I have 5,000 articles. So let's look at more. I only want academic journals, and I want the articles to be in um, in the English language. Let's look at the English language over here, because there are many other languages. And then I have over here, do we want just in Canada? It says United States. I think over here I'm clicking United States. And we can also say domestic violence. And you can see I have 350 articles. So we can say domestic violence and indigenous, because we want to see whether, in particular, study domestic violence and indigenous. And let's look at Canada. And so let's see what comes up. So now I have 10 articles from Canada. Intimate partner violence in Canadian Territorial North, perspectives from a literature review and a media watch. And I'm clicking on this to see more ways in which I can search. This author is from the Aurora College. Anything that is in blue, if you click on it, you can search by the author. You can search in this source. You can search by these subject words which are there. Now, authors give their own words too. So you can search by the words given by the author. See, we said domestic violence, but in the database, the words they are using is intimate partner violence over here. And then there is this summary over here. If you want full text, this PDF portable document format, you can click on it. Let's click on it. This portable document format. And then if this is the article you're interested in, it's a good research article, because they're saying colonization, alcohol, substance abuse, residential schooling, housing inadequacies, help-seeking behaviors, and gaps within the justice system. And they identified themes from the media watch: murders from intimate partner violence, reported assaults and criminal charges, emergency protection orders, and awareness campaigns and prevention measures. So when synthesized, the results are indicating a starting context and description of intimate partner violence in Canadian territories. And there are many questions left unanswered, which builds support for necessity for current research, outline the public outcry for action in local media, and identify the current published knowledge about intimate partner violence. And all the details are mentioned. How did they do this research? So the method they used was they did what we are doing right now. Looks like that's how they did the literature review. And said the words they used to find information, because wherever we are searching, even in Google search engine and this database, we have to use different words. So domestic violence, family violence, IPV, intimate partner violence, spousal assault, battered women, violence against women, and conjugal violence. So once you find this research article, and then they have it with these themes: colonization, alcohol, substance abuse. And I'm saving it um, because it is really interesting article. I'm saving it as domestic violence, full text article. If someone wants to do a review, they can do for this article. Now, anytime
Okay.
you find the source that is of interest to you, cite it. We go over here, the same rectangle box on the right side, the third from the bottom, the third from the bottom.
Okay.
And then we click this APA 7th edition, and I'll just copy it and we'll put it in a Microsoft. We'll just put it in a Word document or in a Google Doc and keep it for us.
Okay. Okay. I think I might know how to do that now.
Okay.
Yeah.